Hello everyone. Today we would be covering the Accounting Basics 1. So, first of all, let us understand the content of this presentation. Introduction to Accounting System. So, we would be covering what is an accounting, the nature of accounting, what is the need for an accounting in today's world, what is the purpose of accounting for business entities, and the basic difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Let us understand now what is an accounting. It is a practice and body of knowledge concerned primarily with methods for recording transactions, keeping financial records, performing internal audits, reporting and analyzing financial information to the management, and advising on taxation matters. Let us have a look at a couple of definitions of accounting. So the definition 1 says it is a systematic process of identifying, recording, measuring, classifying, verifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial information. It reveals profit or loss for a given period and the value and nature of a firm's assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. The second definition says accounting is the systematic and comprehensive recording of financial transactions pertaining to a business, and it also refers to the process of summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to oversight agencies and tax collection entities. So, in a nutshell, accounting is a systematic process of identifying, recording, measuring, classifying, verifying, summarizing, and presenting financial information to the financial managers to take important financial decisions and to understand the financial results and financial position. Let's talk about the nature of accounting. Accounting is a language of business with its own vocabulary and grammar. It is also an art of recording and representing business transactions and events. It acts as a system having framework of concepts, rules, terminology, and conventions. And thus it acts as a process of recognizing, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting of financial transactions. Thus, by its own very nature, accounting talks about not only recording of financial information, but also assimilating it, recording it, classifying it, and then interpreting it for better financial decision making. There has been a lot of debate about the need for accounting in business. And one point of view stands out quite clearly that it is very important to communicate the financial results and the position to a manager to take important financial decisions. And there arises the need of accounting for business. And these are of two types. The communications are of two types. One is the non-quantitative approach, where we generally give a description about the financial status of an organization, like an organization has high liquidity, it has good cash reserves, or the organization is insolvent, etc. So it is basically not defined by any quantified numbers. The second part of the communication is the quantitative communication, whereas we cover different aspects of accounting like the operating information, the financial accounting, the management accounting, and the tax accounting. Why accounting for business? So there are two objectives which helps us to understand why accounting is important for business. One is the basic objective and second one is the applied objective. The basic objective is very simple. It is to understand the process of accounting, whereas the hidden meaning lies in the applied objective, and it to make sense of the accounting information, to be able to make analysis of financial informations, and thus which helps in analyzing this information to make important decisions. Thus, the applied objective in real sense helps to understand that why accounting is important. Let us quickly have an understanding of a difference between the bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping is simple. It is a recording of financial data in some orderly manner. But accounting is beyond bookkeeping. It is bookkeeping plus making financial information useful for its users, which means provide a complete framework for recording and reporting of financial transactions.